Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So guys, there is a quick update in the new Selenium version 4.8.0. So this change is regarding the headless browser execution in Chrome and the Edge browser. So what is the new changes here? So here we are opening the change log for 4.8.0. So before this version, we were using 4.7.2. And in this 4.8.0, they have done some implementation for Edge and Chrome driver services and some other changes is there. But the major update is regarding the headless browser execution. So you can see here they have deprecated the set headless method for the Chrome and Firefox options, which we were using to execute our test cases in a headless mode, right? But in 4.8.0, they have changed it. So here, if you will see the released version also of Selenium 4.8.0, they are also saying that they are updated the Chrome DevTools supporting for the new Chrome or Firefox versions, and the major change is the appreciations of headless convenience method. So we can read this blog for the more details. And here they are saying headless is an execution mode for Firefox and Chrome-based browsers. It allows users to run the automated scripts in headless mode, meaning that the browser window would not be visible to you in the headless execution. So what is the major change and which method has been changed now? So we'll see that practically. So in my form.xml file, guys, I'm using 4.7.2. This is the previous version 4.7.2, and we can see in the manual repositories as well. So like 4.7.2, and after that it has been 4.8.0. So the change has been released in 4.8.0. So we are having 4.7.2, and I'm taking one example of opening the browser, and also I will be writing printing. So I will be printing the title as well. So how I can print the title? I can get the title with the help of get title, right? So we'll try to print because in headless execution, we will not be able to see the browser window. So we'll see if this line is printing in my console, that means it is working fine for me. So this is the code which I'm using to open the Chrome browser. And here I'm just setting the path. I'm using some Chrome options so that remote allow reason is there, so which is one error it will be resolving. And then I'm opening my Chrome browser. Let's try to run. So this will be executing and opening my browser window. This is not the headless execution, right? So I will show you how you will be able to execute in headless mode in Selenium version 4.7.2, right? So how you can do, you need to set set headless. So you have to set as a headless and you need to pass the boolean value in that. So if you will be passing as a true, so in that case, your execution will happen in headless mode and you will not be able to see the browser window while the execution. So how you can confirm that it is working and it is working fine? So we have used the statement system without a println and we are printing the title. So you can see title is properly printing for us is the Google, right? So it is working in the headless mode. And if you go to this method set headless method, so it is saying we can pass the boolean value and based on the boolean value, it will add the argument and it will set the options. Now, what is the new changes coming in 4.8.0? So let's try to change the Selenium version. So we can change the Selenium version directly in our form.xml files. Once we'll click on the Control S, automatically it will download the 4.8.0 version. And here we can see it is still having 4.7.2. And now you can see it is changed to 4.8.0. Now let's try to go to the method. The same method that we have written for the set headless execution is set headless. So you can see what it is giving me the warning that this method set headless from the type Chromium hence is deprecated. Even though you can use, there is no problem, still it will be running, right? But still this method is deprecated and there is a new way that you can write down the headless execution. for Firefox and the Chrome browser. So still let's try to run this if this is working fine. And also guys, this they thing provide so that your previous codes would be compatible with the new and latest version of Selenium WebDriver. So that's why they provide the compatibility to the old code as well. But this method is deprecated from the 4.8.0 version. So this can be an interview questions as well. They might ask like, what is the new change in Selenium version 4.8.0? So right, so you should be aware about that. So what is the new way to implement this? So now we will go to this set headless method. So now if we will go to this, let's try to come to this method. This is the implementation. Let's try to implement. Yeah. So here now you can see this method they are designing it as it executed. And here you can see if you want to use the headless execution, so you need to use add arguments in add arguments you need to pass the string. So what will be the string value? Either you can pass like headless for the browsers, which is 94 to 108. But if you want to, if you are using the browser version 109 or more than that, then in that case you can use hyphen headless is equal to no. So you need to use that. And this method is deprecated. So let's try to use that. So we will be using it. So just copy this and add in your Chrome. So we'll be using co dot the method that they have given, and I will be trying to comment this. So this is the new implementations they have given with that document, and you can pass the property value here, and already you are setting while launching the Chrome driver. So just save it and now try to. So this is a new change which is there in 4.8.0. So just I thought to explain quick page to made on that, so that in any interview they might. So you should be aware about the change that is done there. Now you can see it is working fine. It is printing the Google title for me. And so this method is deprecated, so no need to use that, even though this method is compatible with the latest versions of the Selenium WebDriver as well. But recommended ways to use this argument so that in all the arguments you can set all the different Chrome options values and you can use it, right? Yeah, so that's it in this video, guys. If you have any doubt, just please reach out to me in my coming videos. In the same way, I will be explaining the new changes which are coming with the latest versions of Selenium WebDriver. Yeah. So if you have any doubt, just please reach out to me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And my channel is, so you can just search on YouTube, my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Rahul Automation Studio. So you can just come on the channel and you can watch multiple videos are available on my YouTube channel is there. So and I always make multiple videos on the latest technologies and the latest concept and new features which are coming with latest versions. So just go through all the versions. I will make another video on this browser fix version as well. So we were facing one issue, right? So I will be making one videos on that as well. So how you can fix this problem with the latest version of the Selenium. So please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. And if you have any doubt, please reach out to me. Thanks to everyone.